Hey, welcome to our channel. Today's video is about healthy meal prep ideas for the entire week. Are you tired of eating unhealthy meals during work? You no longer need to worry about cooking during a busy week. All the healthy meal ideas can be prepped in advance and are hassle-free. Meal prep is a savior for many. It saves both time and energy during the week and is very beneficial for people with a busy lifestyle. According to a research study, people who meal prep have a higher intake of fruit and vegetables, which improves their nutrient absorption capacity and overall health. Here are some meal prep ideas and tips to help you get started. Firstly, plan your meals beforehand and choose a day to do all the meal prepping. Secondly, invest in good meal prep containers to keep your meals fresh for longer. Thirdly, use multitasking recipes that can be cooked in one pot, such as rice bowls, stir-fries, and soups. Recipe 1 is a quinoa salad that is packed with nutrients and perfect for lunch. Start by cooking quinoa and adding cherry tomatoes, thinly sliced cucumbers, and black beans. Top it off with a simple dressing made of olive oil, lemon juice, and salt. Narration: Recipe 2 is a chicken stir-fry that is delicious and easy to make. Start by marinating chicken breast in soy sauce, honey, and garlic. Stir-fry the chicken with broccoli, carrots, and bell peppers. Top it off with sesame seeds and green onions. Recipe 3 is egg muffins that are perfect for breakfast. Whisk together eggs, bell peppers, and spinach. Pour the mixture into muffin cups and bake for 20 minutes. These egg muffins are gluten-free and high in protein. Recipe 4 is a lentil soup that is hearty and comforting. Start by sautéing onions, carrots, and celery. Add lentils and vegetable broth and let it simmer for 30 minutes. This recipe is high in fiber and protein and perfect for colder months. Recipe 5 is a Greek yogurt parfait that is perfect for a mid-afternoon snack. Layer Greek yogurt, berries, granola, and honey. This recipe is high in protein and low in sugar, making it perfect for those with a sweet tooth. Recipe 6 is a tuna salad that is perfect for lunch. Start by mixing canned tuna, celery, red onion, and mayo. Add salt, pepper, and lemon juice for flavor. Serve it with a bed of leafy greens for extra nutrients. Recipe 7 is a sweet potato and black bean bowl that is perfect for a quick dinner. Roast sweet potatoes and black beans in the oven and serve it with brown rice, avocado, and salsa. This recipe is packed with fiber and protein, keeping you full for longer. Recipe 8 is a hummus and veggie wrap that is great for lunch. Spread hummus on a whole wheat tortilla and add your favorite veggies, such as shredded carrots, spinach, and cucumbers. This recipe is high in fiber and healthy fats. Recipe 9 is broiled salmon with asparagus that is high in omega-3 fatty acids. Marinate the salmon with olive oil, lemon juice, and garlic. Broil it for 12 to 15 minutes and serve it with roasted asparagus. Recipe 10 is a chicken and veggie burrito bowl which is packed with protein, fiber, and veggies. Start by cooking chicken, black beans, and corn. Serve it with brown rice, grilled veggies, and avocado slices. And that's it. We hope you liked our meal prep ideas that are not only healthy but easy to make. With these nutritious meals in hand, healthy eating can be easily achieved in no time. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Enjoy your meals.